Hopefully it's a new car. Sold his car, he said. $15. 2030. 2030. I got it. 2030? Nope. Not like that. You want the empty one? Where'd Kevin go?
Go use the bathroom.
Oh, Kevin went to the worst. 2057. 2057. Twice? Drove 2 cars. Good, probably the people that left. I'll get all the people that left ones out first. 2034. Right. That way I don't have to pick the next one. More stuff to collect stuff. As I usually see that.
You get the prime parking spot, you win a prize.
You win a prize. Did he pick his brother's number? 20. Oh, you already looked, did you? 2053. 20.
Over here.
Big rig!
Is that way you drive?
Apparently.
Oh. Big rig.
Yeah.
You gonna get that? Can we paint that on your truck?
I am putting it on my truck.
Oh my God. Something that stuck. 2056. 2056, camera guy. You got to pick the ticket.
Don't breathe in.
She told me to. Where'd she go?
You gotta pass it.
2028. 2028.
I don't know any guy that going but
Bingo.
20.
You what?
it's a light.
2028.
I am.
What are you gonna do with that, Barb?
What do you got today? Another crazy shirt? All right, I'll take the crazy shirt.
Did you take the one last week?
No, it was a little bit flashy for me.
The whole set.
Oh, is it? How does it look, anyways? What do I got? Oh, I got a skull.
2050.
Cool.
2050. Right here. He's gonna pick the one for a haircut. No. This is Matthew from Victoria. Just stopped by to say hi to everybody. That was your prize. 2044. 2044.
That's you. There you go, bud. Go get her.
Do it. The Doom Buggy guy.
He needs a haircut too.
Well,
2 for 1.
hooked up with the last guy there. Didn't talk him into that. He didn't fall for it, did he? 2049. 2049. 2049. Oh. What's your name again? It's on your shirt. Anybody else like personalized shirts? This is the guy to go see. He does them. How much do you charge for them? Not much. 2036. 2036. You look too relaxed over here. Falling asleep. Oh, it's. Hey, we heard something.
Oh,
Whoa! Come back. I'll get her on the way back. Get my voice ready. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We're not sure how old you are, but your husband will tell us in a minute.
Thank you.
58 again. Happy birthday, Joy. And every day be good to you. Any good?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Joy. That's the number? Yeah, I already called it.
I don't know.
2035. Did I already call that? 2035? Got excited when people's birthdays show up. 2035. $20.35 gone. Out there. 2037. 2037. 2037.
You should stay around the bucket.
Oh, sprinkler. Don't get excited or nothing. Run right over. As fast as you can go. Thanks for coming out there. Well, this isn't it for you. The guy that was doing the tickets tonight, I don't think he ripped them off the right way.
I did so.
No, you didn't. 2040. 2040. Oh,
How can you rip them off wrong?
because some of them have like the other piece here.
I split them down to 10.
I'll get you the school this week on how to rip the ticket. Oh. $2026. 2026. The larger ticket could probably rip it off too big.
What's your dog's name? Hey, what's your dog's name?
Hey,
What's his name? Her?
Miley.
Miley.
There's somebody.
Hi, Miley.
My daughter arrived Christmas Eve with 5 dogs.
Oh.
Three, that's 2 years ago.
Cool photo digital keychain. I already put my picture in, so when you
And,
start your
Did
car,
you
my
get a picture?
comes up.
These have
Oh,
been,
yeah.
Okay.
never been to a vet.
Hey,
And
you wanna
who's
get
this?
that one?
That's
That's
Diesel.
That's Diesel.
2051.
Diesel. Hello, Diesel.
2051.
Hello, Diesel. Hello.
You win.
Hi.
Anyway, they had been surrendered, never been to a vet. And my daughter drove from Guelph to Niagara Falls on Christmas Eve,
No,
picked
what
them up,
Nice.
and gifted us with them.
Oh, beautiful. That's just nice.
Many thousands of dollars later at our.
Love is,
Do you have dogs too?
I have 4 dogs.
2051.
They're Staffordshires.
Oh boy.
Yeah, and
You breed them?
yeah, I did breed them. Yeah, yeah. They were.
So,
I have the father, and the mother
2032.
I didn't own,
2032.
but I kept 3 of the babies out of the 9.
Oh, you devil. Whereabouts do you live now? In this area?
I live in Shannonville.
Okay, and we're in Belleville.
Oh yeah.
2047.
Hello, you're a.
They're just
You
lovies.
like the camera.
They're just lovies.
2047.
They're so gentle, eh?
Yeah. Oh, they are. Yes. Mine will knock you down if they want to go outside.
You put both heads in?
Our daughter has, I don't know if how many years, 4 years or more ago.
When did you get a
there was
photograph
dog
of that?
feeder northeast of Belleville, and there was over 70 dogs
2054.
in a small house.
2054?
And she has one of these little tiny dogs.
2054?
One eye, she can't see it.
That many people didn't leave,
I've
Rob.
never seen anything so frightening in my life when we first picked her up.
I
She
wasn't
clung to
watching.
Sarah. And she is
They
the
can get a
most
beautiful door prize.
entertaining dog now. She loves to mow. She dresses
2046.
Well, that's
up.
cool.
It's weird. I went
2046.
That's cool.
2046. Oh, Kelly.
Gilly won another one.
Oh.
How many dogs do you have?
4.
One, look, now.
4 of them.
Do you still breed them?
2.
look how
No.
he ripped the
2
tickets
males,
off.
2 females.
What he done?
My
That's
daughter,
what Robbie
she's,
did, so-
The other one was, how to bring him up from the
Want me
south,
to show you
back
now?
in Carolina or something.
You do that when you put a gasket
But
on
she
there?
does all the publicity for a bunch of rescues. And so she sees them. And she
Well,
couldn't
good.
resist, you know.
Oh, yeah.
And, the last one she bought is a half.
2048.
Yeah. Rescue dogs are the best dogs.
Pardon?
Rescue dogs are the best
Well,
dogs.
she
They love you so
Nappanee,
much.
She told us she paid
204? No.
4,000 or something like that for it, and her
The other
girlfriend
one,
laughed.
you
She
just blind
said,
me, and that ticket too.
She dropped the buck.
You okay?
I think the Nappanee's one that
2041.
that year or something.
Hey? Your ticket had to be in there somewhere, bud.
What does it say?
You wanna blow my
Sailor,
seal?
sir? What's that policy?
Oh, the mic was on, sorry. That's right. 2027. 2027. 2027.
Is that him?
You got it, Murray?
Yep.
Murray? Okay. That was Murray.
Shaking his head.
Couple left.
There's one, Robbie. See the ticket that I showed that has the other pieces right there. It is a big deal. 2043. 2043. 2043. I think Robbie gave everybody in the store and everything tickets. Hey, how do you do that?
You do.
2039.
Harley Davidson pin. Oh, pin. Cool.
Oh,
That's
okay,
pretty
there's
cool.
one, Robbie. You're lucky, buddy.
5 more of them shirts in my trunk.
Yeah, I figured. Well,
How many prizes
I have
left?
gotten all the tin things
Last
in the
one?
last couple of weeks.
One left.
Never won the big money.
2052.
I figured I'd take one of the crappier.
2052.
6 of
Yeah,
those
but-
smokers, and I can't wear them as yours.
I probably can't either, but I was just being nice.
2052.
Seat covers, slide
Seat
doors.
covers. There we go. Did you see this one? It's got a skull.
Yeah.
I
on
like
it.
when Robbie gets
I was like, no way, a skull. Eh?
Yeah,
I might try it
I bought the
out.
whole
Robbie said,
fleet of
"Give
them.
me
Oh,
a
did you?
And then I
longer."
tried one on. I was like,
And then you threw them in there?
2029.
You bastard.
but I've got 4 or 5 more in the trunk. I just keep giving one every week.
2029. And there you go, dear.
Oh,
You are the big one.
oh, she gets a perfect gift.
That's right. Well, thanks for hanging around. A few of them tickets did go out. I don't know where Robbie put the rest of them. Add to your pockets now, Robbie. Share the wealth tonight is $57.50. It's tonight. Share the wealth. Get you home gas money. 042 11952.
950.
Robbie didn't give him out, no. Not black, it's red. No? 042. No?
No, you gotta read the whole thing.
This is the whole thing. 042 11952.
Too close.
Oh,
Yeah.
right behind me. And here you go, dear. 042 11952. You are the lucky. This lady has just donated this back for the kids. We thank you kindly. And what's your name, ma'am? Kelly from? Oh, he's with McBean, Mr. McBean. Awesome. Thank you very much. That will be well. And your name will be with this. And you want that to go to the kids? To the kids club thing? Okay. Perfect. Okay. I'll give it to the girls and they'll know. Hey, Freddie. Oh, dude. Hey, it's up to you.
And we'll see you all next Sunday.
Thank you, Mark.
Have a good Sunday.